Do you prefer black cars or white cars? What about Coke or Pepsi? Nicki or Cardi? That's a bit of a tough one. I'm sure it didn't even take you up to 2 seconds to answer each one of those. Well, that's all you'd really need to be doing with this method to make money online in 2022. You would only be answering a couple questions to begin earning up to $60 every day with the highest paying survey. Industrial companies, clothing brands, academic researchers, and marketers all use these survey questions to collect data from a predefined group of respondents to gain information and insights into various topics of interest. And they are willing to pay top dollar for your responses. The payouts won't push you to financial freedom overnight, but completing surveys for money could provide a small financial boost when you need it. Taking paid surveys online is an easy task you can do to earn money in your spare time. I tell you, there's very few feelings better than knowing that with just a few clicks of a buttons, you can earn $2, $5, or even $10 answering different surveys. This figures also adds up very quickly, and you can end up earning up to $60 in just a day, which can be immediately cash out through different payment options. And yes, of course, this website is 100% free with no needs for investment. I make up to $60 every day with the highest paying survey, and I'm going to show you just how you can do the same. About a year ago, Olivia was seated where you are right now on the other side of that screen. No skill, no job, no degree, just a phone in her hand, and then she realized that was all she needed. Fast forward to today, I am going to be teaching you just how you too can easily make money online like Olivia, or should I say, make money Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you could be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. It's one thing to learn how to earn money online and another to start taking action. Go ahead and leave a like on this video so you can always come back to rewatch some of my exact steps when you begin your journey. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. The website that I'll be sharing with you today is PAIDERA.com. Before we dive into what this website is all about, you should keep an eye out for important tips that will allow you to instantly cash out and earn more money. Now, all you have to do is go to PAIDERA.com, a website that will pay you money for taking surveys. It's as simple as that. All you have to do is invest a little time, and the time you spend here will be converted to cash. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using all-in-one solution provided by PAIDERA to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment requests, both mobile and desktop users accepted. On PAIDERA, you won't have to worry about anything because the payout is secure and fast, so you'll be able to receive instant payment no matter where you are. What I like best about it is that it's very accessible, and the minimum payout is only $20. So once you've reached that amount, you can cash it out whenever you want. This site also has an infinite number of jobs that you can do each day, and there's no limit to how much money you can make in a day too. Later on in the video, I'll share a trick that you can use and apply to be able to make money repeatedly and earn up to $60 every day with the highest paying survey. As previously stated, there are numerous and limitless ways to earn money in PAIDERA. You may also sign up for other tasks such as taking surveys, uploading videos, or referring a friend. Given that this is only a single website, you could be one of the millions of people who visit it. If you just keep watching and checking out the proof and review section of this website, you'll see a guy who claims to have been paid about $20. There's also a review here who claims to have been paid $30. If you keep reading for proofs and reviews, you'd see people who are all grateful for this site and even persuade others to start making money from it as well. To sign up for a free account on PAIDERA, click on the link in the description below. You'll be directed to this page where you can fill in the required information such as your name, username, email address, and desired password. Finally, click on Sign Up and create your account. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. It's actually quite simple. Once you've completed the registration process, you can now do surveys, download apps, do tasks, invite your friends, upload videos, write short articles, and many more. Now I'll show you how to make money with it. Once you've completed the registration process, you can do surveys like this one and earn up to 50 cents automatically. Remember, you can do this without limits. You can always refresh the website for new survey updates each day and even earn up to $60 every day with the highest paying survey. What you'll do now is click on any of the surveys. Let's go with the first one that says, Your surveys for 21 cents. You'll be met with the task requirement of this particular one. Here it says that we would need to simply complete the survey, and the payout is 21 cents. Click on the blue Open Task. You'll be taken to the official Use Surveys page where you'll just fill in your email address and hit Continue to get started. And don't worry, all the information you provide on this website is completely safe. For one, your answers are assured to always remain anonymous. Also, your information will never be sold to third parties. And the sign-up procedure is just once, where your profile will be saved so you don't have to answer the same questions again. USurvey would use your profile to tailor the type of surveys offers you would be getting. Also ensure to read every fine print on each survey site, so you don't infringe any rules. Here, USurvey requests that you be at least 13 years old to enter and participate in any of their surveys. They also state that for any available survey on their platform, you must fully qualify for it and complete it in full in order to be paid. Please also note that you provide truthful and thoughtful answers in all your surveys. Providing false information in surveys or in any way attempting to defraud the market research client will result in a block and forfeiture of your earnings. So please be careful, guys. Surveys don't usually take more than 2 minutes, so you can get a bunch of them done in just a single day and earn up to $60 every day with the highest paying survey. When you're done with this site, you can head back over to PAIDERA.com and select another task. You can choose between any of these ones over here. You can also check paid quizzes over on the left side of the screen under surveys. These tasks may pay a bit small, but what you have to do for it is very simple. Take a look at this one, for example. What is the capital of China? Beijing. That took me just 2 seconds to answer, and I would make a quick 6 cents. Just go ahead to give this site a try. Over on Payment Settings is where you set up your PayPal email and payment threshold. You can choose between $30 and $20. If you're wondering why they pay you money just for these simple tasks, just know it's a win-win situation for them as well. They have a ton of ads on this page and are getting paid on a cost per mil or cost per impression basis. If you go ahead to click on one of these paid ads, they benefit even more. If you think this is a scam, think again. And that's it. How to earn $60 every day with the highest paying survey. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Olivia, I love you.